Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
Today, we're celebrating
We're celebrating
Eid holiday.
Eid holiday.
Yeah. So, what are we going to do today? What is
We're gonna
Our-
make our no puzzle.
a jigsaw puzzle? Paint your own jigsaw puzzle cookies. Oh, open it now. Again, it's from Caramel Sweet Arts. Gonna open. You need to pull this ribbon up. Pull it. Yeah. Yay. What's inside, Akiko?
It's a jigsaw puzzle.
A jigsaw puzzle kit. Whoa, look at that.
What?
And a palette.
What about this?
You need to build it first. Jigsaw puzzle. Can you build it?
It looks like a real life. What's this?
Yeah.
Where is it going?
Go ahead, build it.
Where's it?
Yeah, be careful lang. Okay.
I'm smart at puzzles.
You're smart. Yeah.
I'm smart at puzzles.
Yeah.
I don't know puzzles.
Yeah, you're good at puzzles. Mm-hmm.
I think this is
Oops. Slowly. Might crack it. Mm-hmm.
I'm actually not really good puzzle cookie.
Mm-hmm.
I never do that before.
Okay.
It's my first time to do it.
So almost there.
I know.
We're almost there.
Oh, I know it.
What it says? It says Eid
Eid
Mubarak.
Mubarak.
Yeah, Eid Mubarak.
Cool.
Yeah.
Another
Yeah, another color palette here. Can you put it here beside here? And what else?
Pen.
Yeah, it's a good brush. Okay, wet it. You want it near you? Okay.
I want something like
What color? Oh, you want it color yellow. Okay, go ahead. More.
Yellow everywhere.
Want yellow everywhere? How about the gate? Or the doors? What color you like?
Green.
Green.
I want green because it's actually green. Is it more? Say pink. Oh my god! I think this is so hard.
It's not.
I think this is so hard because
Okay.
I don't see it.
Okay, grab more greens.
More green.
Yeah, go.
Because I want to color the door
Yeah.
like this.
You like this cookie painting? Yeah?
I don't know how.
You know how.
I'm pretty shy.
Pretty shy, you're not.
I'm just really.
Don't be shy, okay?
Okay, I got this.
See? More blue. Come on. Get more blue.
Boom. Boom. I got the blue one.
Okay.
Boom. Boom. What is this tie actually? What is this orange? I don't.
Any color you like. Go ahead.
Okay, I'm gonna just do the orange.
Orange, alright.
Do we pray there?
No, only Muslims. Huh? Yeah, only Muslims pray there.
Who pray? Who pray?
Muslim people. Yeah.
The color.
Uh-huh.
It's Among
Among Us. Not Among Us. Hindi, it's not an Among Us.
No.
See?
No,
Yeah, come on.
Let's do it. Let's do it. I actually like painting.
Yeah, I know you like art. You
I
like
like
painting, coloring, drawing. You want to be an artist? Really?
Yeah, I want to be an artist and asking. Are you are there
Yeah, we're near.
when
Our house is in front of the mosque. You put sprinkles. Wow! You put sprinkles. Yum. That's nice. Are you done? Yeah. Did you have fun doing this activity?
Yeah.
Good. Can you show it to them? Show your work. Wow! Nice, Ari. Oh, what will you say to them?
I hope we can just don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell.
Hey! You ate it, How was it? Huh? Tastes good? Yummy! Yum! Sprinkles! Yum, yum! Huh? Yummy! Okay, drink a lot of water after, okay? Will you share it? Huh? Share it with Daddy? Oh, thank you! Thank you, Aki! Well, yum, yum, yum. Yummy! It tastes good! Goodbye!
Bye.